Welcome to Azure Weekly, your quick roundup of Azure service updates. Here are 6 from the week of June 11th, 2026. First, a big one for AI builders, generally available. The SQL MCP Server. MCP, the Model Context Protocol, is how AI agents safely connect to tools and data. SQL MCP Server gives your agents secure, controlled access to production data built for SQL and also compatible with PostgreSQL and Cosmos DB. So you build agentic apps on real data without handing over raw, ungoverned access. Second, generally available. Azure Databricks can now read Microsoft OneLake data natively. OneLake is the single data lake behind Microsoft Fabric. Through Unity Catalog, Databricks queries that data directly, with no copying and no moving, and it stays governed by your existing permissions. The point: you run analytics on your Fabric data without building an ETL pipeline to shuffle it around first. Third, the other direction is now in public preview. Databricks can write to OneLake. It can store managed Delta tables directly in OneLake, letting you use it as one unified storage layer with no separate storage accounts to manage. Put the two together and you get a real two-way bridge between Databricks and Fabric, sharing a single copy of your data. Fourth, in public preview, Azure Migrate now integrates with GitHub Copilot modernization. Azure Migrate already does portfolio-level discovery and assessment of your estate. Now it adds Copilot's context-aware code analysis, so you can assess and plan modernization across many applications at once, migration planning that finally scales past inspecting one app at a time. Fifth, a small but genuinely useful one, generally available. The standard V2 NAT Gateway now supports outbound ICMP. In plain terms, ping works from workloads behind it. You can validate outbound connectivity and troubleshoot egress with a basic ping, instead of reaching for heavier tools. A gap that quietly annoyed people, now fixed. And sixth, generally available, log analytics summary rules in Azure Monitor. They let you aggregate high-volume log data on a schedule and store it in a compact summary table. You then query that smaller table instead of the raw firehose. So queries run faster, and you cut costs on noisy logs while keeping the insights you need. So that's your week on Azure. SQL MCP Server, Databricks reading and writing OneLake, Azure Migrate plus Copilot, NAT Gateway ping support, and log analytics summary rules. Official docs are in the description. Which one helps you most? Tell me in the comments, and subscribe for next week.